Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your Glassdoor app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. When app show for you, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You just go down here to looking for Glassdoor app. So you keep going down here. When it's going to show for you here, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. You click here on force stop, then you click here on OK. So you go down and you click here on storage, come to storage list, you click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just you go to your Play Store. So you click on your Play Store here and you're looking for Glassdoor app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. I wish you all get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.